to transfer files from a microSD card onto a laptop. The microSD card does not fit into the card reader of the laptop. This old laptop has a card reader here on the front side. So in order to use this one in the laptop, you have to use an adapter like this one. Notice the lower side. There, the shiny part, there should be the microSD card inserted. So plug it in there. Notice the text is on the top on both of the card and on the adapter also. Or if you turn it around, the pins, the shiny metal connectors, must be on the same side. So insert it that way. By the way, you cannot insert it the wrong way with the shiny metal up and the text up, because it will not even enter. So don't force it. So the shiny metal of the memory card has to be on the same side as the metal on the adapter, and thus it can enter. You can remove the card using your fingernail if you pull it out like so. Okay, so insert it into the adapter and then insert it into the card reader of the laptop. Now this one, in the same manner, you cannot insert it in the wrong direction. So if I insert it this way, it won't even enter. So don't force it. Usually it has to be inserted with the text up. And it clicks in. Push it in again and it should be removed. Okay, and now you can use a file manager and copy the files from that memory card onto the laptop. Once the memory card was inserted on this computer, here is a file manager on Windows 7. Or press the Windows button, the start menu should open and you can type in Explorer and use Windows Explorer. Press enter and there is the memory card. C and D are of the laptop, that's the hard drive of the laptop, and that G drive is the memory card. If I remove the memory card, that G drive should disappear. Push it in and it disappeared. Push it in again and the memory card appeared. And by using copy paste you can place files onto the memory card.